In this video I'm going to share with you the formula for success. Most people want to be successful, but they don't know this basic formula. If you know this basic formula, you're going to do really well in life, because once you know this formula, it will unlock something in your mind, and you will know that things are particular simple, but you need to know this particular formula. So let me share with you what this formula is. If you want to learn how to make money online, and if you're new to how to making money online, I want you to check out the link in the description below, because I'm going to show you how you can use the internet, and I'm going to share with you the fundamentals of internet marketing, so that you can start right now and actually build your influence online and start making that at least $10,000 per month, which is equal to 6 figures per year. So check the link in the description below and enroll in the internet marketing fundamentals course. Right now I'm having an offer, so if you are among the first 150 people, you get to get a huge steep discount. So make sure to take advantage of that course. It's in the link in the description below. I'll plug it in. Make sure to enroll in, because after 150 spots are taken, the price will go up. So you'll get to know what the price is, and what a huge steal you'll be able to take advantage of this offer. So make sure to check it out. Let me take you to the post that I've recently posted, and it is exactly what which will help you understand what this formula is. So the formula for success is like this: consistency into time equals success. Let me repeat it once again for you. The formula for success is consistency into time. So whatever you're trying to do, make sure that you do it consistently. You obviously should know what it is that you want, and what is the end goal that you want. Maybe that's certain amount of money, maybe that is certain amount of subscribers, maybe that is certain amount of followers, maybe that is certain amount of collaborations, maybe whatever that the case may be. You need to know whatever it is that you want, and that is your end goal. So in order to achieve that, you need to start taking action consistently over time. Let's say you're trying to blow up your YouTube channel. Okay, that's an example I'm going to take. If you're trying to grow a YouTube channel, you need to be consistent in creating content. If you create content consistently, let's say you are creating one video per day, and if you are consistent enough every single day, over time you will start to see that your channel starts growing. You get a lot of views, a lot of subscribers, a lot of engagement, and then you will be able to reach your goal. Maybe let's say your goal is to make 100k subscribers, and let's say you want to use that as an opportunity or a level for you to attract brand deals or sponsorships. You'll be able to attract a lot of people to work with you. So you get the point. You're trying to create content consistently over time to help you achieve that success goal that you have. Likewise, it applies to every single thing in your life. If it's related to business, you do that particular thing consistently. You should know what exactly you need to do, and you do that thing consistently over time, and that will help you achieve success. And along the way, if you need to tweak something, you can tweak it. So know this formula: consistency over time creates success. This will help you create the lifestyle that you're proud of, and will help you live life on your own terms. So the formula for success is, if you want to be successful at anything, you need to know that you have to work for it, and nothing is free. Now that you know what you have to work for, you know that there are two parts of the success equation: consistency and time. So if you want to be successful at anything, make sure you're consistent and you're putting in the time, putting in the work. So if you can be consistent over time, you will be successful. Most people, they start something and they give up along the way, because what they miss is they stop being consistent over time. But if you can be consistent, and you also are consistent over time, meaning consistent every single day, every single week, every single month, you're just putting only, so let's say you're trying to make a YouTube video, maybe you put in only 1 hour per day. 1 hour is enough for you to achieve the 100k subscribers. If you put out consistently one video per day in about a year span, you will easily reach 1000 subscribers if that is your goal. So there are various numbers that are taken into consideration to achieve different success metrics, but consistency into time creates success. So if you can be consistent over time, you will become successful. That is guaranteed. Most people start something but they don't complete it. It's their fault because they are missing element number one, which is consistency. For whatsoever reason, maybe they think it's not working. Maybe they think that their videos aren't good. Maybe they think that whatever they do, people don't care about it. Maybe they think that they will fail at something. Whatever thing is going on in your mind, it's your own mindset problem. It has nothing to do with the market or what is outside. Let's take the dating for example, because most people will understand this experiment or they'll understand this scenario. If they're trying, let's say you're a guy and you are trying to approach a girl, okay, and if you are not making consistent approaches, your chances of even going on a date with someone would be less or minimal. It drops, right? So if you take more chances, it's like more approaches, you make a lot of approaches. So let's say you approach 10 people and out of that one person has said yes. So now you know your numbers also. If you approach 10 people, one person says yes. If you approach 100 people, maybe 10 will say yes. So now you know numbers. Now if you can be consistent over time, every single day you're approaching. So every single day you approach 10 people, one person says yes. Next day you approach one person says yes. By the end of 30 days, if you approached 300 people, 30 into 10, 300 people, and 30 of them said yes. That's your good conversion score, and you were consistent over time. So that's how it works out in that scenario. There's always a numbers game involved in everything. So over time, most people give up over time because of their own mindset issues. It has got to do with their own mindset. They think things will not work. They think they're not ready for it. They think they will fail at it. Whatever the case may be. So if you are not consistent over time, you will really not get exactly what you want, because the universe is actually testing you to see how consistent you are going to be. If you can be consistent, if you want success right away, then you will